The football coin is an exclusive cryptocurrency for soccer and for those who enjoy it. Its vision to basically to modernize the operations in the soccer universe and all the activities related to it. The football coin is an ERC20 token and it is a soccer crypto and it can be bought on the website in pre-sale. Only 11 million supply is over there. Nothing is going to include in it. And pre-ICO is live and no need to sign up for the buying of football coin. So that is basically the football coin which we are going to review today, and seriously you are going to love this one. Okay, but before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of our video. First of all, I will show you here. You can see at this time the pre-ICO has begun and one FUCO price is only and only $0.25. So here you can also see you have 74 days over here, and also you can see the football coin is an exclusive cryptocurrency for soccer. It is an ERC20 token based on Ethereum blockchain technology. Football coin has a total supply of 11 million tokens. You can buy them on the website with 13 different crypto coins such as Ethereum, Bitcoin, XRP, Litecoin, Tether, Monero, Dash, Zcash, Binance Coin, among others, or in several exchanges. Clearly, one of the best parts of the football coin is that you don't need to register to buy them. So that is such a great thing regarding this coin. And also you can see the smart contract of this token and also the supply. What I was basically telling you before, that it has a very limited supply of only and only 11 million. It is nothing. Seriously, the supply is nothing. It means definitely the coin will grow very fast. And here you can also read the white paper where they basically tell us regarding their whole vision, and also they told us regarding their new features and also the main apps which they are going to use very soon. Here you can also see the modern crypto. Thanks to football coin, you can contribute to the soccer player market, sports betting, shops, and much more. That's a great thing, seriously. Okay, market opportunity. There are billions of soccer fans in the world and only 11 million coins in total. That make football coin an attractive and real market opportunity. That is also a great thing. Football coin solution designed to update and modernize soccer negotiations and all activities related to it. Our goal is to improve them. And here you can see the roadmap. It is not like this that they are going to the last night they basically think regarding the coin and they basically make a new coin with the name of football coin. No, they were working on it from December 2018. Here you can see idea, planning, and market research. Then in May 2019 they started their development work. Then they started their pre-ICO website, and then in February 2020 they basically create up their token FUCO. It is such an old coin, it is not the new one. Here you can also see the pre-ICO launch of the pre-ICO, the first. Here you can see 100,000 tons of lactal, like only and only 10 million the whole tokens, the 10 million tokens will be available for sale. And here you can also see in July 2020 ICO sale first stage. At this time, what I was basically telling you, at this time their ICO is ongoing, so you have the chance to buy this token directly from their website. No need to sign up. That is such a great thing regarding this platform. Here you can also see the development of the betting page begins in September 2020. We will add the 10 million tokens to expand in the market prior to the final marketing and application of the football coin to real estate projects. And here you can also see the ICO sale second, in which they are going to offer 500,000 tokens were added at that time in October 2020 for the sale. And then November 2020 you can also see this thing that basically the wallet, the main wallet, football coin wallet, creation of the exclusive wallet for football coin tokens. So that are the news and basically the roadmap of the football coin. Here you can also see the distribution of the allocation of entire tokens, the 10% available during pre-ICO, 20% available during ICO, blockchain market 69%, and airdrop 1%. Wow, that is such a great thing. So freebies don't go anywhere. You already have 1% in the total supply. That is such a great thing for the freebies. And here you can see the betting pages, each and everything what they are going to do. Here you can also see what I was basically telling you, that at this time you have the multiple chance to buy this coin with different crypto coins. So you have multiple options to buy this coin. Here you can also see the compatible wallets. You can basically store this coin FUCO in your MyEther wallet, in your MetaMask Trust wallet. Everywhere you can save this coin very easily. And exchanges, here you can see it is just a beginning, and initially they basically listed their token on some exchanges. You can even basically go over there and you can basically check each and everything. And here you can also see on the ICO holder, ICO marks, everywhere they got A+ ranking. It means it is such a great coin if you are going to invest anything in it. Right now I am going to tell you something more, and here you can also find all the social media accounts where you can directly go and you can ask whatever you want to ask directly from the team, because the team is there for you for 24/7 support. Right now, if you want to buy a football coin, how you can buy that one, I am going to share such a exclusive thing with you. You just have to click on buy football coin, and when you are going to click that one, you can see a new phase. Here you can basically see this one, that at this time buy a football coin, you can directly come over here on this page, and here you can buy it with different cryptocurrencies very easily. And if you have any issues, you can comment in the basically video. Basically the comment section is open for you, so you can comment over there, or you can ask directly from the team. So they are going to tell you how you can buy. Here it is entirely easy to buy this coin. Here you can see the pack of 40 units, only $10, add to the cart, and then you can buy this token. Here I am going to buy something for you in the next video, so be easy with that. And also I will show you the white paper. Here you can see the entire white paper of the football coin FUCO. So basically they told each and everything in the white paper. So if you are interested in this cryptocurrency, you must have to read each and everything. And if you want to know something more how you can buy this token, I will basically make another video for the football coin and will tell you each and everything how you can purchase this token very easily without signing up, without completing your KYC. You can purchase this token and hold this token in your personal wallets. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.